Ready to unlock the power of perfectly timed marketing with Aisensy? Let's dive right into scheduling campaigns like a pro. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Campaigns section. On the left-hand menu, it's your central hub for all things marketing automation. Once you are in the Campaigns section, find and click on the Create Campaign button. This will kickstart the process of setting up your marketing initiative. Now, give your campaign a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Next, select the channel you'll be using for this campaign, like WhatsApp, SMS, or email. The key to scheduling is right here. Locate the schedule toggle and switch it on. This will reveal the scheduling options. Now, select your desired date and time for the campaign to be sent. Make sure to choose the correct time zone to ensure your message reaches your audience at the optimal moment. Want to send your campaign on a recurring basis? Explore the repeat options to set up daily, weekly, or monthly schedules. Compose your message, add any relevant media, and then review all the details one last time before clicking submit. Congratulations! Your campaign is now scheduled and ready to launch at the designated time. You can always track its progress and performance from the campaign's dashboard. By scheduling campaigns in Aisensy, you're not just saving time, you're also optimizing your marketing efforts for maximum impact. So, go ahead and start scheduling those campaigns.